Well, new tonight at 6, a trial date is now on the calendar for a Tyler man accused of killing another man during a 2021 robbery. Dakevian Scroggins is accused of shooting and killing Christopher Eiglebiger during a robbery back in May 2021. Scroggins originally took a plea deal from the state of 38 years, but withdrew that plea after a, quote, change of heart. Jury selection for his trial will begin January 11th. If convicted, he faces life in prison without the possibility of parole.